So you found the condo of your dreams, you're under contract, you're going through the process, and all of a sudden you come to a screeching halt. The lender calls and says, uh-oh, this condo is not warrantable. What does that mean? Well, what that means is that Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, the two entities that back these loans and typically are the end receivers of these loans and securitize these loans, they have rules, and their guidelines for condos surround things like what type of insurance policy the condo must have, not your individual for your unit. Yes, that's important, but we're talking about the master policy. So the whole condo project, there are guidelines, and a lot of the condos right now have changed their insurance because insurance is so expensive. They've increased their deductibles for wind and hail. They've increased their deductibles across the board. Maybe they just don't have enough coverage. All of those things affect that condo being warrantable. And if it's not warrantable, you cannot get a regular Fannie Mae Freddie Mac loan. Now, could you get a mortgage on that property somewhere? Sure. We have non-warrantable products, but they have higher interest rates and you need a bigger down payment than the typical 5 or 10% down. The other issue that could come up that could make that project non-warrantable can be things like, is there pending litigation? Are too many owners in that complex 60 days, 90 days behind on their HOA dues? Does one person own more than 10% of the units? Is there too much commercial space in the complex? Lots of things that we look at to verify if that project is warrantable. And it is very important when you go under contract on a condo that your lender gets the condo certification document and the insurance right up front. Too many lenders wait until the last minute to obtain those documents because it costs money. We have to go through entities to get those condo certs. It could cost $150. We see $350, sometimes $550 to get the documents we need to determine if the condo is warrantable. So many times, other lenders, I see it all the time, they wait till that loan is further through the process, they let the loan get through underwriting, make sure everything else is okay, and then they order the condo cert. So as a buyer, who wants to find out their loan doesn't work at the final hour? I know I wouldn't. So we don't work that way. We order that condo cert right up front. Yes, we have deals that don't work because we get it and we've spent the money and now it's not a loan. I would much rather find out up front, and I know you would too. And obviously bad news is only really bad news when it's too late and you find it out. So if you have a condo that you're looking at purchasing and you've either heard it's non-warrantable, but you still want to move forward and you need a non-warrantable loan, call us, we can do those. Or you want to make sure it's warrantable so that you can do your regular Fannie Mae Freddie Mac loan, which has market pricing, you can do the minimum down payment, those things. We need to look at that up front. The Oddo Group, we'd love to help you, and if you're a realtor with a client in this position, give us a call. Let's see if we can save that loan and get you to a smooth closing.